All right, I got another situation. I got this window right here. Got these curtains right here. I got this thing right here. This thing right here came from my old studio. My old studio got shot up. What happened was, if you can see right here, a bullet hole. What is so crazy about this is that it perfectly fits right here. So I want to use it, but I want to get rid of this bullet hole. So what I'm about to see is how to cut it, fit it back in here. I think I can do it. I think I can do anything. Now these are tools I think I'm gonna use. I really wish these was needle noses, and I don't think I'm gonna need that. What I'm trying to do is top off these ends first so I can see what's going on up in there. Boom. Now let's see what's going on right here. Got a little plastic flap attached to it. So we probably have to stick that together so it don't come loose. I don't gotta even pop this side off. We're fixing anything, man, just foresee it first. Okay, so what we got here is a little plastic piece stapled to the roll. So what I'm gonna end up doing is finding a stapler got around here in the office somewhere and stapling this to it. I'm gonna need a clean cut. I'm gonna use this, cut me a straight line. Remember, I was like, I don't know what the heck I'm gonna use this for. I guess when you pray, and they ain't never did it before. I prayed before we did this, and he gave me this tool, and it's working. Yeah, so he real. You just gotta ask. I end up putting this plastic piece on here. Now I'm about to staple it on here with a regular staple.
On my hustle, from the 9 to 5, I'm gon' grind for it's my time.
All right, I got the strip on there now. I'm about to slide this back in.
I'm gon' grind for it's my time. On my hustle, from the 9 to 5, I'm gon' grind for it's my time. On my hustle, from the 9 to 5, I'm gon' grind for it's my time. Everybody talk about it, not everybody about it. Got in my bag, so me and my babies won't be without it.